सब्सक्राइब करो और घंटी दबाओ, नोटिफिकेशन आता।
Hello connections! I'm excited to kick off this post as I celebrated the completion of my 30 days project journey. Over the past month, I have impressed myself in building innovative web development projects, from creating interactive polls to developing a cache calculator and much more. Wrapping it up with a basic image editor for the final 30-day project. This journey has been nothing short of incredible, pushing me to learn, grow, and innovative every single day. Each project has taught me something new, whether it's in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, or just better problem solving techniques. Today I am thrilled to share with you my final project, a tool that lets you edit and enhance images in real time. It's been a true pleasure bringing this project to life, and I hope it inspires others to take on their own challenges and build something amazing. Let's keep learning, keep innovating, and continue growing together. Let's come to the source code part of the explanation. I'm taking explain to first of all HTML page to creating how to create. I am writing doc type of HTML2 can be specified as a XML document of version. Currently we are using HTML5 version. Then take one HTML tag to language can be English and after take one head tag B can be linked up with external pages like CSS and JavaScript and much more. And I am inside of take one meta tag to cat set of UTF-8 and in name of viewport, and content will be with the device width, and initial scale is 1.0, and relate I'm taking one link tag to link up with the external style sheets page. So I'm taking relative of style sheet of hyper reference of style.css. So I'm taking one body tag to visible to the users. Instead of I'm writing the 30 and project 30. So I'm writing showing like this inside of the text align center, and I'm taking one total 7 div classes to creating a left side of blur and contrast and hue, rotate and sepia, and no flip and flip horizontal, flip vertical methods I am creating, and different type of I am taking labels and inputs to take one span tag to id equals to blur value, and that value and that of take one choose image and download image process. These are the I am taking of this project's methods. I am taking one image and file images and download image buttons, and showing a visible to image format method for this one. Then come to the CSS part of the explanation. I am taking one universal selector and to giving a padding and margin. Box sizing is border box, and font family is sans serif, and body can be I am taking of different type of colors to giving showing like this. I am taking wrapper of giving a width and minimum height padding, and background position transform top left, and border radius 2, and box shadow display grid templates of different type of properties and values. And I'm taking off class of editor minimum height and display flex direction, and this type of I'm taking off inside editor label and editor input. I'm taking already HTML part of classes, so giving a input properties and values. The editor can be input of type range equals to I am taking this one, and input editor of input value, and flip buttons to giving a classes, and flip options and flip options to giving a properties and different type of property and values the result of images to giving a display of block and position is relative max width of 100% of 4v of minimum and margin is auto and image container and display is none and input of type equal to file and input type label of download button can be I'm giving showing like this giving a properties and background and a linear gradient of pink color and text align can be center of the browser. These are the pointers I'm giving CSS part of the explanation. And they come to the javascript I am taking a lot of different type of data types and variables can be accessed through the blur and contrast view rate and rotate and sepia and no flip. These are the and taking all IDs and classes through the HTML page. The function can be reset filter is filter a dot value 0 and 100 and 0 of true and calling that method add filter and that one upload method or whenever I'm selecting that images can be accessed through the my uh, local storage can be giving any type of images can be accessed through the that web page and take off a filter dot input type of range your slider dot for each of input of add filter so dot of constant of sepia and this type of take on logics for this one and show range I'm taking instead of add filter and show range value and radio buttons and flip images tag and download button functions to calling that methods. So total functions I am taking for this project. So finally I am calling to reset filter. These are the day 30 project. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and send connection to more projects. Tomorrow onwards I am uploading in my GitHub page for this 30-day 30 project journey. So daily I am uploading one by one project to deploy that projects to follow the my page. Thank you. Happy coding.